Welcome back guys. In new video, my name is Gorbix. In this video we're gonna be talking about how to fix at least one element must be a video or playlist when you want to add an end screen into your YouTube video. So to fix this is too easy. Just before we start, I want you to check my channel, hit like, comment, subscribe if you want, because that will motivate me too much to put new videos, new tutorials early for you and as your request. So if you have a YouTube beta studio like this, all you have to do is to go to the left and you will find videos. Just click on it and it will lead you here. So select any video just by clicking on its thumbnail. So this is my first video and I will click on it. Then it will appear like this. So scroll down, you will see on the right and screen. So click on it and it will lead you to another window. So as you see guys, I added before because I found the solution. Now I'm gonna remove them to show you how I resolve them. So guys, I remove them and select the time that you want to add an end screen. Just do preview and then select the moment like me. So this is not the right moment to put an end screen, but if you scroll to the right a little bit, so you will see it like this. If you have an outro template, so of course it has a zone of subscribe button and zone of adding a last video or video that you want the others to watch it. So all you have to do now is to turn off preview. When you turn off preview, just go to add element, then you will find subscribe. So as me, I'm gonna do a subscribe button, so click on create, sorry. After that it will add it here, so just modify it a little bit here like this. After that it will say at least one element must be a video or playlist. So I really worked hard but I couldn't do save, but finally I found the solution by going again to add element. So before you do that, make sure that the outro template has a zone of video or playlist. So you must have you must add this. So just click on create, go to add element, video or playlist, and then click on create. After that, choose any of your videos. So it can be most recent, best of viewer, or choose a video or playlist. As me, I'm gonna choose the most recent upload, sorry, and then click on create element. Then just scroll it here and make it appear good that the others can click on it. So as me, I'm gonna create here. As you see guys, at least one element has disappeared. Now we can save our video. So I hope you resolved your problem, and thank you for watching this video. See you for the next video. So don't forget to click subscribe, hit like, and comment any comment. I will be happy if you do that. Thanks again.